Miriam Joy, and welcome to my studio. Today I wanted to give you a sneak peek to see what all the buzz is about. We have some awesome new gourds. This is a technique that I have developed. I had so much fun with this. Haven't had this much fun in a while creating and working on gourds. We're going to learn two different types of method in this class. We're going to learn our honeycomb gourd, and then we're going to also learn our Be Sweet gourd and how to apply it in sections. We're going to teach you how to do the flowers, kind of like a frosting technique, and the leaves, and then our wonderful, wonderful happy little bees, as my husband calls it, the bee's knees. This is a lot of fun. Come over to miriamjoy.com and order yours today. Thank you so much. God bless.